Well, another strength in the economy has been housing. But last week, applications for new mortgages fell nearly 13%. That's the fifth straight weekly decline, with mortgage rates ticking a little bit higher, now averaging 4.3% for a 30-year conventional loan.
But sales of newly built homes soared in October. That's the biggest monthly increase in over 3 decades. Too good to be true? Some think so. Also, that jump in interest rates has some lenders saying, act now before it's too late. Diana Olick reports.
At Pennsylvania-based Orleans Homes, business has been brisk ever since the government shutdown ended.
The government shutdown being resolved contributed to people's peace of mind, and I think they'd gotten hesitant prior to that, and when that passed, they came back from the sidelines right away.
And according to new government numbers out today, the story was the same nationwide. Contracts signed to buy newly built homes jumped an eye-popping 25% in October month-to-month after falling over 6% in September from August. So eye-popping, in fact, that some analysts don't buy it.
The real increase in new home sales, I think, looks much closer to about a 5% increase year over year, not a 25% increase month over month.
I don't believe those new housing sales numbers. Overall, the single-family construction market is still completely in a slump.
Why the distrust? Because sales have been weak for months. August's numbers were revised down by 15%, we learned today, and September's numbers fell from there, down 10% from a year ago. Then this huge October leap.
This number will likely be revised down as well, but even if you take it at its face value, you're still only going back to the April levels of new home sales, which is nothing stellar. It was a better market, but it certainly isn't a market that's soaring.
That's because mortgage rates are rising right along with home prices, and that will continue into 2014.
In the summer months, I think it contributed to demand. I think people thought we better get in now and lock up at the lower rates, and I think as that passed, it may have pulled some demand forward.
Mortgage rates then fell a bit and held steady for the past few months, but last week they began to rise again and continued this week on positive economic data. A good jobs report on Friday could push them even higher, and that's why some lenders are urging their customers to lock in now. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.